अस्सलामुअलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। मैं मोहम्मद जावेद, सच की आवाज़ NPS न्यूज़। देखिए आज की ताज़ा खबर।
अकबर साहब, Majid Sahab, Narayan Sahab, all the dignitaries, it gives me immense pleasure to be associated with this function, because as we all know that in the world of changing technology, when we are jumping from 2G to 3G to 4G to 5G in less than half a decade, the pace of spread of news, right or wrong, motivated or neutral, contagious or benign, is also spreading very fast. And that is why this initiative, well supported by the CG here, is a great beginning, I would say, a first step in a long journey, because it is not so easy. Before coming on the dais, I was chatting with some of my friends, old friends. I met Suresh Garu after a long time, and I asked him few questions, and then I was told about how it is being done. Definitely it is commendable to take a first step in this direction. However, I would like to caution that the task is very uphill, and such a mammoth task requires constant upgrading of skills and technology. Cyber world is an endless world. Nobody can define the boundaries of cyber world. And that is why how it is being manipulated, how it is being distorted, it is not so easy to know. One can